Okay, so I found a fix for the Overwatch 2 account merge. My stuff before used to be like complete, like everything was gone, but I ended up finding a way to fix it. So at first, what I did was I deleted Overwatch 2. Didn't exactly work, but what you can do is if you go to your settings, right, and you go to your storage, go to your saved data and delete the saved data for Overwatch 2, and then try going back into the game and seeing if it works then. Because once I did it, like I went from being treated like a new player to being back to normal. So try doing that, and yeah, maybe that's the fix. I don't fucking know. Fuck you, Blizzard.